In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your collections in Blender. Whether you're organizing your assets or structuring your scene more efficiently, understanding how to navigate collections is essential. So let's dive in and explore these essential tasks together. First, we'll start with how to create a new collection. In Blender, collections serve as a way to organize and manage objects. You'll want a way to keep things tidy as you work. To create a new collection, glance at the Outliner panel, which typically resides on the right-hand side of your screen. Look for the plus icon and give it a click. Alternatively, you can achieve the same result by right-clicking in the Outliner and selecting New Collection from the context menu. This action will create a blank collection for you to populate and organize as you see fit. Next, once you've created a collection, naming it is vital for future reference, especially in complex projects. To rename a collection, it's as straightforward as double-clicking on the default name. This action will allow you to type in a name that reflects the contents or purpose of the collection, making sure everything is clear and easily accessible the next time you or your team member accesses it. Now, there may be times when organizing your project requires an even finer categorization. That's when nested collections come into play. You can create a sub-collection within any existing collection. Simply right-click on the collection where you wish to nest another collection, and select New Collection from the menu that appears. This will create a new collection within the existing one, allowing you to further categorize and arrange assets or elements as needed. When working on larger projects, you may often find the need to rearrange these collections to streamline your workflow or prioritize particular elements. Fortunately, Blender makes it easy. To rearrange, simply drag and drop collections to reorder them within the Outliner. This feature allows you to organize collections logically according to your workflow or project's narrative structure. Lastly, let's cover how to delete a collection. Once a collection outlives its purpose, or if you decide to clean house, deleting it is quite simple. Click on the collection that you want to remove, and then press the X key or the delete key on your keyboard. If your goal is to not only delete the collection, but also everything it contains, right-click on the collection and choose Delete Hierarchy from the menu. This ensures that both the collection and all of its contents are removed, keeping your project clutter-free. With these skills at hand, you'll find managing your Blender projects more intuitive and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy blending.